How to premiere a video on YouTube. Hey guys, and let's get started. A premiere in YouTube is a feature that allows creators to upload a video and schedule it to a specific time publishing, creating a shared viewing experience similar to live event. To do so, you just have to tap open YouTube, tap on the plus icon. Now choose the video you want to upload from your device. Next up would be filling up the details. Now inside the visibility option, you have to select the date and the publish time. After that, toggle on set as premiere option. After that, you can tap on next and then schedule to finalize your premiere. Or you could also select set as instant premiere and then tap on next to publish it, and you can get it easily. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching. And if you have got any queries, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section.